Okay guys, I get it. You clicked on this video for one reason, and I'm trying to get straight into the video. I am doing a giveaway, and that is what the title is, okay? I am doing a giveaway, and it's really amazing, and that's probably why you guys clicked on this video. And it's pretty simple. What I'm going to be doing is, it's going to be really, it's really, I keep saying this, it's really simple, and it's really easy to do. All you can do is, like on all videos, like, subscribe, and comment. And since I see all the likes and everything, put our notifications on, I will see who did that and I will pick them. If you do not have Roblox, it's free for every single, it's like free for all kinds of devices. If you have it on a phone, I recommend you not doing that, but we're not going to be doing like gameplay battles. So we're just going to be trading. We're not really trading, but just getting some free stuff, basically. So, now that's out of the way, the math I'm going to be giving away is I will be choosing like at least 10 maybe people, 10 or more people. I'm giving away my Christmas 2017 green fires. I'm giving only 3 of them because they're actually legendaries and they will be worth a lot one day. You guys can trade them if you want with some people, I really don't care. And the next one is gingerbread and snowy. I'm probably going to give away 3 gingerbread and 2 snowy. Then after that, we got Tree, Frosty, and Sweater. I'm only going to give away 5 of those, probably. And then we also got, let's see what we got down here. I'm not giving away my presents tonight because I'm trying to do something with them. But I am going to give away Elf and Cole. And let's see what else I got. And I will give away 1 candy and 1 present. I only have 5 presents, so only like probably 2 people will get the presents. But like I said, like 10 people or more will actually get chosen. But the thing is about it, like I'm not gonna like choose 10 people and choose for them of what they get. I mean I might, but I also might not. So yeah, like I said, just comment, like, and subscribe, and that's all. So the rest of this video is just gonna be about gameplay and how. Just gameplay, I guess. It's not that really hard. Or it's not that simple, is it? Either way. Alright. So, we're going to do 1 round and see if we get murdered. And if we don't get murdered, then... well, GG. I'm going to use my fake gun part. And let's see. Let's go into the map. It should be police station. I'll see you guys in.